Alright, let's dive into something that's been stirring up the creator world lately. The DJI Osmo 360. You may have already seen that image shared by Igor Bogdanov. Yeah, that one. It gives us a sneak peek of what appears to be the Osmo 360 itself, and maybe even a new Mic 3. But we'll save the mic discussion for another day. Today, we're zooming in on the camera. Now, let's talk about that stick attachment. It's going to be part of some kind of adventure bundle, or whatever catchy branding DJI goes with. Some have speculated it could be the battery extension rod we heard about earlier, leaked by Jasper Ellens via DroneXL. But if you look closely, the one in Igor's image doesn't quite match up. This version looks chunkier, more like a solid battery grip, the kind you'd typically find on high-end gimbals or pro handheld gear. Its design seems built for balance and durability, and it might even double as a power bank, with control buttons added in for ease of use. Still, it's probably just a standard extension grip, but who knows? Now here's where it gets real interesting. Once you attach the actual battery module, rumors say the Osmo 360 could shoot for up to 180 minutes in 8K at 30 frames per second. Without it, you're looking at about 100 minutes. Still solid. Even cooler, it reportedly wirelessly charges a camera while recording. That's a slick move. But there's more. Check out how the camera is mounted to the stick. That positioning hints at something pretty wild. It might actually be able to record two completely separate perspectives at the same time. Picture this. One lens filming what's in front of you, the other capturing your face. No more scrubbing through 360 footage just to frame your own reaction. Instead, DJI could offer dual sync feeds already clean, already ready to post. That's a huge time saver. No editing gymnastics, no dragging keyframes around for an hour. Just film and go. This could be DJI trying to fuse traditional 360 degrees cameras with smart, creator-first features, and it makes total sense. If you've used their drones or gimbals, you already know they're pros at smart software, auto tracking, and intuitive controls. Recording with each lens separately, very much in their playbook. Oh, and let's not skip the performance rumors. In single lens mode, it's expected to shoot 4K at 120 frames per second with an ultra-wide 170 degrees field of view, or 5K at 60 frames per second with a slightly narrower 155 degrees FOV. And in full 360 degrees mode, you're looking at 6K at 60 frames per second, or 4K at 100 frames per second for that buttery smooth slow motion. Basically, DJI might be building a hybrid beast, half 360 cam, half smart vlogging companion. So what do you think? Could this dual view recording setup actually be real, or is it just clever marketing hype? Drop your thoughts below. Lens Loop would love to know if this idea has you excited, or if you're still on the fence. Catch you in the next one. Peace.